Leetcode Biweekly Context 175. Question number 1. Reverse letters, then special characters in a string. This is an easy problem, and we want to reverse the order of two types of characters, English letter and the special characters. So the question is, what do we need to sort this kind of requirement? The first of all, we want to know what type of character this is. Is it English letter or is it a special character? The second, when we do the reverse, we want to know the index of a letter, no matter it's English letter or special characters. We want to know the index so we can take it out and put it into the new position. We can start with a empty array initialized with this same length, then go through all elements backwards, while at the same time we keep updating the index for both two types of characters. In this way, we can update the result array and follow the requirement. That will be the solution for this problem.